Hey friends, welcome back to Monazine. So do you remember this? My plain white clay board from last video? It was beautiful but it felt like it was waiting for something. Today we are finally adding the color and the sparkles. Welcome to the part 2. I will be honest, I was a little nervous to start painting. When you spend so much of your time on the clay work, the last thing you want to do is mess it up. But I decided to go with a clean, classic look. I am just using a simple brush to get into all those little gaps in between the clay lines. Actually, it is very relaxing once you get into the flow. While I worked, I learned a couple of things that might help you if you try this at your home. First one, let the paint dry completely before touching the mirrors. Trust me, cleaning paint off a tiny mirror is not fun. Second one, don't worry about your perfectness. These traditional designs are meant to be a look handmade. The tiny oops moment actually give it character. Now for the best part, the mirrors. This is where the magic happens. In India, this art was used to reflect lamplight in a dark rooms. When I am adding this mirror into a elephant, peacock, this all the design, I could see the whole piece starting to wake up. It's like a art finally found its eye. And we are almost done. It took a lot of hours and little bit of back pain, but looking at it now, I'm so proud. It is not just a canvas anymore, it is a piece of my heart. If you have been thinking about trying a new hobby, this is your sign to just go for it. You don't need to be a pro, you just need to start. But honestly, the best part of this journey was sharing it with you all guys. If you enjoyed watching this transformation as much as I enjoy to making it, I would love to have you join my creative little corner here. Hit the subscribe button so we can start our next project together. Also, let me know in the comment what should we make next. I'm reading all of your suggestions. See you on the next one. Bye bye.